Greetings to my lovely people worldwide. God bless every one of you. Today, I want to talk about the planners of life. People that is limiting our life by their own plans. Because they believe they are the one that know everything that is good for us. Yes, they know the kind of husband that is good for us. They know the kind of wife that is good for some guys or some boys to marry. They know the kind of career that is better for us. They know the kind of car that fits us. Planners of life. People that use motivation to manipulate people. Yes, they take motivation as an excuse to manipulate some people, limiting people's life by their plans for people. How can you plan my life for me? You are not me and I am not you. You can't choose for me and I cannot choose for you. Democracy is freedom. Okay. So, as an adult, a mature person, I have the full right to do what I like. Okay. To choose what I like. To eat what I like. To talk in the right way. Okay. So, you can choose to correct me or give your opinion, advise me, but you don't have right to plan my life, arrange my life, or choose for me. So, dear brothers and sisters, it is true. We have planners of life, people limiting people's life because of their evil plans. How can someone choose wife for you? How can someone choose husband for you? How can people know the best for you and you don't even know the best for yourself? Here in Europe, where I stay, if you want to do something, they will ask you to choose. After choosing, they will ask you another question. Why do you choose it? Then, because you are the one that choose it, you will now explain to them the reason why you choose this kind of career or what you are trying to learn or what you want to do. You will let them know that this is the reason I choose it. This is the reason I am here. And if your reason is not right, it is their duty to give their opinion to correct you. Okay, fine. If this is what you are trying to achieve, here is not the right place for you. But first, they will allow you to choose before asking questions, before directing you. But Africans, they will never allow you to even have a choice of your own because they believe they know everything that is good for you. And people today, they are crying. Some are not happy because you will hear, people were talking, people were advising me, all my friends were calling me, this and that, this and this. And you for it. Do not take manipulation for motivation. Do not marry because you want people to respect you. Don't marry. Do not marry. Someone told me that day, he said, Sister Faith, you are not married. So nobody will value you. In fact, nobody will respect you because you are not married. And I just ask myself, do I really need to marry? Or do I really need that respect you are talking about? Because I want Africans or Nigerian or society to respect, honor, and value me, I should get married. Because they are trying to plan my life for me. And if I listen to them, I will get married maybe very soon. And tomorrow, I will be crying because I just allow people to choose for me. Allow people, I just look for trouble by myself by allowing them to choose for me. are limiting your life. They are not motivating you. Get married if you are ready. Go for the career if the career is what you really want. Do the job if that job is the only choice you have, or is the job you are searching for. Okay, so don't allow people to choose for you. I don't know how to say this because I don't want to offend people. People are just manipulating. They are not motivating. No one will allow you to be better than them. Use your brain. People choosing for you, people advising you, encouraging you, they can never allow you to be above them. It is just the pure truth. I am not insulting people, but I'm trying to say the pure truth here. They are just limiting your life. They limit your goals. They want to limit your achievement. They will limit your reach. They put you on that limit. Africa, people put them on just limit. Most people in Africa, in Nigeria today, most of them, they belong to one position, limit. Just that average life. Because no one is encouraging them, motivating them in the right way. They are manipulating them. Because they believe they know what is good for them. And just forget about them. I know what my people want. I know what is good for them. I know what I will give to them. That's what is going on in Africa today. In Nigeria. That's what is going on. They are not manipulating the rich people. They are manipulating the poor people. They put them on limits. Average life. They belong to one position, one class, one group. If they try to raise their shoulder, they will bring them down. When they try to get up, they will bring them down. They are bringing people down. So, my message today is just two. Please, beware of the planners of life. Beware of the planners of life. Because they are not helping you, they are limiting you. People that will not allow you to choose, that believe that you don't have a say, you don't even have a voice, they are limiting your life. And number two, don't take manipulation for motivation. God bless you all. I will talk about them on 5 and more things you have to know about toxic people on your way to the top. Now on manipulation and motivation. God bless you. Stay blessed. See you tomorrow. Bye bye. Ciao.